Hi there. Today, we'll explain the next 12 essential IT terms from the Chapter 1.4 Building IT Experience Hard Skills Overview in our book. You can find the book linked in the description below. Let's dive in. Software skills. The ability to use computer programs ranging from Microsoft Office Suite to JavaScript, Python, Adobe, and more. Having strong software skills enhances productivity and the ability to solve complex problems. Coding, programming skills. The art of using various programming languages to write commands, instructing a computer, application, or software program about the actions it must perform and how. Coding skills are essential for developing software, automating tasks, and creating innovative solutions. User interface, UI, design. The process designers use to build interfaces in software or computerized devices, focusing on looks or style. A UI designer uses their skills to create a visually appealing mobile app interface that ensures ease of navigation. User experience, UX, design. The process design teams use to create products that provide meaningful and relevant experiences to users. UX design is vital for the success of any product, as it directly affects user satisfaction, loyalty, and willingness to recommend the product to others. Network maintenance. All the tasks and systems in place to monitor, update, and run your organization's computer network before problems strike. Regular network maintenance is essential for preventing outages and ensuring continuous operation. Database management. The actions a business takes to manipulate and control data to meet necessary conditions throughout the entire data lifecycle. Effective database management ensures data integrity, security, and accessibility. Data visualization. The representation of information in the form of a chart, diagram, picture, etc. Data visualization makes complex data more accessible and understandable. Technical writing. A form of communication that professionals use to convey information about specialized topics. Technical writing is essential for documenting processes, instructions, and technical information clearly and effectively. Copywriting. The activity or occupation of writing the text of advertisements or publicity material. Good copywriting can significantly impact marketing efforts by crafting persuasive and engaging messages. Cloud architecture. The way technology components combine to build a cloud in which resources are pooled through virtualization technology and shared across a network. Cloud architecture is the backbone of scalable, efficient, and flexible cloud computing environments. Budgeting. The process of creating a plan to spend your money. Budgeting is crucial for financial planning and ensuring resources are allocated efficiently. Risk management. The forecasting and evaluation of financial risks together with the identification of procedures to avoid or minimize their impact. Risk management is essential for protecting businesses from potential losses and ensuring long-term success. Hey team, we've got a lot to cover today. First, Sarah, I'll need your expertise in cloud architecture to design a scalable system for our new product launch.
Absolutely, John. I'll use virtualization to ensure flexibility and incorporate strong risk management practices to minimize downtime.
While Sarah works on that, I'll focus on user interface design to create a clean and appealing look and refine the user experience design to ensure seamless navigation.
Great plan, Mike. I'll generate insights with data visualization to see how users interact with the updates. That should help us identify any pain points.
Once Emma shares the insights, I'll draft a guide with my technical writing skills to document the updates for both internal teams and end users.
I'll assist by using copywriting to craft a compelling campaign tagline that promotes the updates effectively.
Perfect. Emma, while analyzing the data, remember to leverage your database management expertise to keep our queries optimized.
Will do, John. And let's not forget about network maintenance. We need to ensure our servers are prepared for increased traffic.
Good point. I'll coordinate with the IT team to perform system checks.
That's a solid plan. By the way, Sarah, how adaptable are these updates if we need to pivot? I'm asking since adaptability is key to handling unexpected challenges.
Our architecture is flexible enough for changes, but we'll need a clear roadmap. Speaking of which, John, how do you plan to allocate resources for this?
I'll create a budgeting plan to ensure we use our funds wisely. Emma, I'll also need your help in identifying potential risks.
Of course, I'll conduct a full analysis and prepare recommendations. By the way, Mike, have you considered using software skills like Adobe XD to prototype your designs?
Definitely. I've also been using coding skills in JavaScript to test some interactive features.
This is a great collaboration. Let's not forget to focus on the ability to ask the right questions as we move forward. For instance, what's the primary goal of this update for our users?
Exactly. And Sarah, when explaining the architecture, remember, effective communication is crucial to ensure everyone understands the changes.
Absolutely, Anna. I'll break it down step by step. And, John, with this much on our plate, I hope you're practicing strong time management to meet the deadline.
I am, Sarah, and I'll rely on all of you to prioritize tasks effectively. Let's aim for collective success. Remember the ability to set aside ego and focus on our shared goals.
Agreed. And don't worry, John. I'll also use my leadership skills to motivate the design team and ensure we stay on track.
That's what I like to hear. Thanks, everyone. Let's get to work.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to repeat all the sentences out loud to better reinforce the material and improve your pronunciation. Consistency is key, so practice regularly and take your time to master each concept. Remember, every small step brings you closer to fluency. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who are learning too. See you in the next video. Keep up the great work.